queens. Hey, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since my last video, but y'all, we're gonna have a sit down talk about what's been going on with my page, what's been going on with me, and all that good stuff. But welcome. I wanted to jump on today and start back with my vlogs and my sit down couch talks and all that good stuff. So I've been outside all day, y'all. This sun is phenomenal. I've been taking in this beautiful sun, healing some stuff within me, and planting and playing in dirt. Child, look at my nails, all dirty. Oh yeah, I've been playing in dirt. So I wanted to show you guys what my daughter and my son and my daughter's boyfriend has been doing. So as you can see, this beautiful plant here, we're starting a garden. And we're calling it the Legacy Garden. Okay, child? So right here we have some tomatoes. And we actually bought this from, this still feels dry. We bought this from Home Depot. And as you can see, it's a tomato already on it. It's actually two of them and one coming in right there. So it's a tomato already on it. And we only paid $20, $19.98 for that. We also bought this from Home Depot, and it's 2 bushes of strawberries. So we're gonna have strawberries there. Then over here we have, what is this? Mint, peppermint, parsley. This pot has onions. That pot has onions. This is raspberry tree. Branch. We have some squash. Those are onions. We have peppers, and those are like hot peppers, jalapeno peppers. What else? Let me put this over here. These are empty, of course. Nothing's going in that. We got some grapes in here. We have blueberries, and we bought this from where did we get this one from? We got this from Walmart, blueberry tree or vine or whatever you want to call it. And as you can see, there's some blueberries starting to grow on it already. This one right here, oh, that's my daughter's tree. What are these? Blackberries. So those are the vegetables. Well, yeah, vegetables and fruits. Now up on the porch we have some plants, house plants that we repotted. Those right there, and there's some over there. I don't want to show y'all my address, but yeah, that's what I've been doing all day on this beautiful sunny day. And in case you didn't know, I also have fruit trees. So these big 2 trees right here are pear trees. They really grow wild. You gotta trim them. We actually need to cut it down some more at the top. See how big it's getting? I need to cut it some more. But these are pear trees. In the middle we got 2 peach trees, which has started. Let me walk over here and show y'all. Stop being lazy. See, I gotta get on the ladder because I'm short. But as you can see, there's some peaches on these already. You see? Peaches grow really fast, and these trees produce a lot. So that's one. This one doesn't have that many, but yeah, it's these right here, peaches. And we have one apple tree that started to grow some baby apples. So there you have it. That's what we've been working on. The tree's been here for some years now, but today I did some fruit. Oh, look at this big one. Oh my God, child. Look at this one. Already, yes. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? So y'all, start your gardens. I don't know what's coming down the pike in this world with the economy, all the things that's going on. I suggest start yourself a little garden. As you can see, we started in pots. We will be transferring it into the ground, but start somewhere. See, the pear's not ready. Those are the pears. They're not quite ready, but it's a lot of them. Oh, look at this one under here. Look at that one. The pears. Yeah, start yourself a garden. Start off small. Do something for your family. We're calling it the legacy garden because I want my kids to teach their kids and so forth and so on. So that's why we're doing it. But look, you can have your own peaches. Look at that. Gorgeous. 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 Just start. Start where you are. Even if you're in an apartment, you can get some mint. You can get herbs. You can get tomato tree. Do what you can where you are. All right, so be blessed. Thanks for so much for watching this video. I will be coming back giving you guys an update of where I've been, what's been going on in my life. If you're interested or not, I'm gonna post it anyway. But know that I love you, and God loves you more, and I'm gonna see each of you at the top because there's no more room at the bottom. Be blessed.